Did you get him?
Yeah.
Babe, what did you do? They snuck down there. You got him. I couldn't even see him. You spotted him. Nice job. Give me some knuckles. I had this log in the way. I couldn't see him. But I knew they had to be close. Is he dead? Oh, he's in the field. Yeah. Good job, babe. We called these turkeys. We spotted them from the road and we drove in and they were up here. And then I saw a third one come in and I called to him and he came all the way up. He went in first and then the other two left their hens. Their hens are over here with some other gobblers. They came up and I leaned around this tree and I saw their heads coming up here. Then 10 minutes go by and I see them walking over here and I tell Shelby. And then I'm like sitting down low here, so I got this log in the way. And Shelby could see him down here. And I knew they had to have been in range if you could see him that close after just seeing him over there.
Well, I saw him over here. And then I couldn't see him again. And then all of a sudden I just saw something. And the first one like darted. And then this one kind of, I think it like heard me because I was moving and stopped right there. And then you just said kill it. So I went for it.
Hey, I'm so proud of you. That's awesome. That is awesome, babe. It's almost 6?
Yeah.
What time did we get here? 4:45?
Yeah, I think so.
We got here at 4:45 and it's 5:55. Oh.
I'm shaking. I did.
Oh my god. You see my Snapchat?
Who did you send it to?
There he is, right there.
And then, there was one Tom. He was kind of like a satellite Tom.
Is that a Tom right there still?
Yeah, he's still out there. He's just hanging around for the funeral.
No, he's right behind me. This beard is a little short.
Oh yeah. Let me get it in focus. Yeah. Congratulations, babe.
Oh.
It didn't take long, huh?
No.
What do you think? That get your heart going?
Yeah.
Was it about to beat out your chest?
Yeah.
That's awesome. We snuck right under, not underneath, but snuck into 75 yards of a couple of hens and a gobbler.